Hey guys, welcome back to channel. How to connect Hostinger domain to Base44. So first of all, we will on the hostinger.com and make sure we'll have logged in. And firstly, you will just have to purchase the plan from it. And example, I want to just type for cryptoworld.com. I want to like this type of desired domain from the Hostinger, and it will says that you will just have to purchase the plan from it, and after you will be able to buy it. So right over here the suggestions are most popular: cryptoworld.pk, cryptoworld.studio, cryptoworld.sbs, and you will just also one of them are save 72% and one of them save 93%. For before you will have to buy this domain, you will have to purchase the subscription of Hostinger. After when you just buy the subscription, you will be able to buy this domain. And next move in the Base44, make sure you will have also logged in, and we will move in the apps, and I want to move in the crypto wallet. So what we're gonna do, first of all, we will just move in this dashboard icon, and right over here there's an option in the left, options domains, so just tap on it as well. So right over here, it will also says that if you want to use your custom domain for it, so you will have to purchase the plan. Let's see the plan. So the starter is for 16 USD, for builder 40 USD, pro for 80 USD, and elite class for 160 USD. So once you will have to purchase the subscription, you will be able to have an option to add from here custom domain. So you will just have to copy it right over here and simply just have to paste it here. So in this way, you will just have to connect hosting a domain to Base44 easily in 2025. Thank you so much for watching, guys.